I'm gonna sit crisscross applesauce. Okay. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video update. I shaved my eyebrows off. You guys probably already know that by now, but I am having trouble drawing them on. I kind of draw one here and like one whatever, but I already have like my face kind of on because today I'm gonna be focusing specifically on showing you guys this eyeshadow that I'm gonna do. It's gonna be dedicated mostly around the Urban Decay Wild West Naked palette. Yeah, it's a vegan formula. I don't know. I mentioned that I didn't have an eyeshadow primer or a setting spray. This isn't related at all, but they just happened to send me both of those. So I'm really excited to try these. I've already tried this, the long-lasting makeup spray, the all-nighter. But they sent me a little mini one, and they also sent me their eyeshadow primer potion. I don't think I've used this before. Maybe like I've like borrowed my friends or something, but I've never used this for real, I don't think. Ooh, but I want to use Nudie Cowboy Rick. Okay, but this is what it looks like. Here are all the colors, and I'm gonna be mostly focusing with like the grains and shades, and I really like Cowboy Rick. I'm really into Rick. He's cool. But yeah, this is also my first naked palette ever, which I know is hard to believe, but this is my first one, so I'm excited. I'm gonna start. Hold on, let me put my band on. I've never really like used eyeshadow primer like that. What? Am I supposed to use more than that? Okay, I don't understand primer. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I know I do makeup, but I don't understand primer. I understand you're supposed to use it. I know it's like good for you and stuff, but like, am I putting too much on? I put my eyebrows kind of high too, so I can have more eyeshadow space. So what? Is that it? Is that what I do? Am I primed? Thank you, Urban Decay. Wow, so sweet. This one is in the palette. It's really soft. So let's go ahead and get in here then, huh? I'm just gonna go into standoff. This one right here, this one all the way at the end. I'm just gonna, go simple first. I'm gonna apply this all over. See, I'm just gonna go all the way like everywhere, and I'm just gonna do that a whole bunch. Do that on both sides. Just go ham, But yeah, I just took standoff and I put them literally everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna go in with maybe just a little bit of whiskey. And I'm just gonna put a dot like right there. And I'm just gonna keep patting it. Oh my gosh, there's so much color. But yeah, I'm just kind of making my eye a little bit more round. Well, I'm just gonna dip into whiskey again. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more oomph right here. See that? You see the oomph right there? But yeah, so I'm gonna do that again. Now we have like our base colors, right? Because these are the lines that I had created with the brown. Now, easy peasy. I'm gonna take this guy that's got the stuff all over it, and I'm gonna put it in text, which is this green color, and I'm packing. It's an interesting color. Because like I said, I haven't really looked at this. I didn't swatch it or anything, so I'm getting like first reaction for real. Just into my crease. In my crease, that's where I'm gonna stop after that, and then I'm gonna blend it into the brown. I packed it, around where the brown was, and I left like a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. It's not blended out yet, so it's very like just a circle. But I'm gonna take the same brush, and right here, I'm just gonna bring it in just a tiny bit, just about till right whenever I look straight. It's like right where the color of my eye and like my pupil is at, like, right there. And then I'm just gonna do the same on the other eye. Give me a second. I know I'm gonna speed run it. Wait. Okay. Now I'm gonna wipe this naked brush. And I'm just gonna go around the corners of this green. Blend the lines out a little bit on both sides. And also go under. Go under. And then, yeah, just kind of draw around it, basically. Just go light-handed and go around the edges. Where's that brush at? I'm gonna take more on this. Same brush, same color, go back into text. And then just go back over the color. This is such a pretty color. Where are they all at? I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's an e.l.f. brush. I got it a couple years ago. I'm gonna dip it into Bud. And with this color, since it's a shimmer, I'm gonna go in the middle. Kind of the same if I look straight, my eyeball is like centered on my eyelid. Start kind of here and then bring it up. And just go down and up with it. It's not really, let me try. I'm gonna try using my finger. Oh yeah, the finger works better, okay. But I'm just going down and up. You see? What if I, oh my god, it's so pretty. Interesting. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna use my finger. See, look. That's just what you gotta do. You just gotta use your finger. That's okay, there's nothing wrong with that. I don't mind. Look at my eyeball. My eyeball looks so cool. But I'm just using my my beauty blendy to go under. I make like some weird ass faces whenever I'm doing makeup sometimes, I'm sorry. But yeah. My eyes look so cool. Urban Decay, you did me a lot of justice today. I'm going to go the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. Look, it looks so cute. Aw. It is cute. But yeah, see? Just going into this one. I'm only gonna go around the outer edges. I'm gonna go like right here. And bring it down. And bring it up. I'm basically like using this kind of like an eyeliner at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna stamp it on the outer corner because I kind of want to like dip it in, and I'm just gonna go under my waterline like that, and then kind of blend it into here a little bit. Ow! Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is my favorite eyeliner ever. My favorite liquid eyeliner. But yeah, basically I just start by drawing a line up, and then I start in the middle and then draw this line out, and then I start in the middle again and draw this line down, and that is how I do my eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with my Alchemist palette, my Kat Von D. This time I'm gonna be using the green shade called Emerald. Going in with this brush that I used for the other stuff, glitter green, but this time I'm going in my tear or whatever, you know, where I cry at or something. I like a lot. You don't have to put a lot. I like a lot though. And possibly right below my eyebrow will be quite fun. That's kind of a lot though. But whatever. I'm just gonna blend around this again. I'm gonna take my Bad Gal Bang Benefit mascara, and I'm just gonna apply this on my eyelashes. Mascara is like the only thing I can apply correctly almost without a mirror. Yeah, that mascara's on. I don't normally like contour my cheekbones or anything like ever. Where's my highlighter brush? I'll use this fan brush, and I'm just gonna go in. This is my everyday highlighter. It's Cookie by Benefit. I love this highlighter so freaking much. Look, it's so easy. This lipstick. Everybody asked me about this lipstick. I don't know if they still make it anymore because honestly, this is like expired and probably should go. I'll look it up. I don't know. But it's by Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. But this is a lipstick everybody asked me about. It's like the dark red purple color. I don't know. See? But for sure one of my favorite lipsticks. Yeah. I got my lipstick on. How you feel about it? Do you like it? Okay, where's my eyeliner? I'm gonna put a little mole on my face somewhere. Okay, I got it. I put it there. Oh, I gotta use my freaking I haven't done this in so long. I haven't used the setting spray in so long. I forgot how much it's like. Is that too much? Should be dry, I think. This is the finished look that I came up with the Urban Decay Wild West palette. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I did my makeup. Thank you. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. What do I need to say anything else? I'm not gonna. Bye.